am here where I'm going to be introducing my dog, Coco! Coco, so hi! She's saying hi. And what we're going to do today is we're going to play fetch. Yeah, Coco, we're going to play fetch. I'm sorry with all the distractions and the noise, because they're doing a little bit of construction here! Well, with the street, so we're going to play some fetch. You want to play some fetch? Go fetch. So there she is, playing fetch. Go, get this. Go. Go. Oh, that's her bum. Let's go get closer. Want to play fetch? Oh, gross. So yeah. This is called introducing my dog Coco. So yeah. There she is. Sticking her tongue out. Put that tongue back in. Put your back into it. And so yeah, there she is. Coco, my dog. If you don't know where we are, is we are in the backyard. You can probably tell. Coco. That's your bum. Sorry guys about the inappropriate part. Coco! She was trying to escape, guys. She was literally trying to escape. So yeah. There's 2 YouTubes. Well, 3. Well, 2. Me on YouTube. And the YouTube in my eyeglasses, if you can see that. Coco! There she is, sticking her head out. Coco! Bad dog. Bad. No, you do not do that. So yeah, we're gonna play some more fetch. And, whoops. No. Sorry guys, I was pressing and holding the power button, so we're gonna play some more fetch. We're gonna play some more fetch? Yeah, there she is. Yeah, we're gonna play some fetch. Go get the doll. I hate dolls, just to let you know. So, if you guys want to know what I'm gonna do next month is I'm gonna broadcast video games on my YouTube channel. So we're gonna play some Lego the Hobbit. Sorry guys. We're gonna play Lego the Hobbit. We're gonna be playing Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. And some other games, etc. As I should say. So yeah, that's gonna be all, folks. And I will see you in the next video.